Working at Shell is my dream job.
I love traveling to work every day.
How many people can say that?
I could change the world working at Shell.
To be the best mom and the best data scientist, I need support, and Shell provides that.
My journey is Shell's journey. Digital and AI are key to delivering cleaner energy solutions as we transition towards lower carbon future.
My role is to increase the adoption of artificial intelligence across Shell by connecting people.
And work together to make the air cleaner for all of us.
I studied computer science and engineering, but I want to work for future technologies. It's very dynamic in nature, the way we work here.
I just finished graduation in chemical engineering. But what really motivated me is the cleaner energy concept. I joined Shell in 2007, and from then I never looked back.
I wanted to enhance my skills to make a positive change. The work I do here has an impact around the world.
Look over there.
After spending several years studying and working in some leading universities and companies in Europe, I realized that there are equally good opportunities in India and decided to come back. Flexible working at Shell has given me the opportunity to give my family the time they deserve and still achieve at work.
I'm a numbers and computers guy. I wanted to work for Shell to combine my knowledge of computer science and mechanical engineering. I get to use my coding skills to do something meaningful. I'm now writing code to help business in reducing carbon emissions.
Digitalization, it's a two part of an equation. One is technology, another one is people. So that is what excites me.
I've got all the tools and the best people right here, so my work is always diverse. I'm constantly exploring new ideas, and there's never a dull moment.
Shell's a global company. In the research projects I'm working on, I get to collaborate with experts and employees, not only on campus but also internationally.
Shell challenges you what you know every day, keeping you on your toes.
I love working with the top talent and having the freedom to explore the cutting-edge innovations. The digital technology is helping Shell in playing its part in addressing the climate change, and this is at the forefront of energy transition.